It's about to be 12 a.m. It's 11:59, so they should be dancing until 12 a.m. Okay, Freddy should start dancing exactly right now. Yep. Looks like Freddy lost his arm. It's probably in parts and services right now. Okay, it's 12 a.m. They should shut down. Stop dancing. Now next is Freddy to shut down. There's Chica. Yep. Got this whole place memorized already. After the first night of me almost being killed.
Hello, new friend.
Okay, I'm gonna check the first cam. Oh, it looks like they got more cams on. Main stage cam number 1. Main stage cam 2. Main stage cam 3. 4 takes a while to process. Okay, looks like Bonnie's pointing. Now time to check the new one. There. Okay, looking down now. There's Puppet. That was cam 1 on Puppet, cam 2 on Puppet. Okay. Now time to check the kitchen cams. Bonnie is always the first to move, as I know. Okay, kitchen cams are looking fine. Nothing so far, so I'm gonna turn the cams off. Cams off. Oh. Flashlight on. Let's go look for Freddy.
I'm getting angry. Better line up the music block.
Oh no, it's Puppet. It's Puppet. No, flashlight on. Gotta keep the flashlight on Bonnie. It's on you, Bonnie. Okay, there. It's done. Flashlight off.
Guard, what did you do with Freddy, Guard?
I don't know where Toy Freddy is. Mask on. Guys,
Oh, hey, Freddy.
he just jumped out the window. I'm going after him. Okay, where is he? Did you see him?
Hi, Freddy. Have you seen the guard?
No.
See him.
I'm looking for him.
I'm about to go attack.
Hi, other Freddy. It's me, Freddy.
Oh, there's two Freddy. Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy.
Wait,
you should wind up the music box.
Is that?
It's Freddy and Freddy. Hey, Freddy. I think you should wind up the music box, Freddy.
No, the guard has to do that. I'm gonna go check if the guard's there.
Yeah, but the guard's not here, so Freddy should do it. We got 10 seconds left.
Mask off. Ha! It's me, the security guard, right here. Ugh. Flashlight on. Boop. Get out. Get away. I have the flashlight on you. You better start getting away. I have the flashlight on you. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay, I did it. Puppet, could you quiet down? Flashlight on.
Withered Freddy, glad you could join us.
I'm not Freddy.
Oh, hey! I'm sure you recognize our new pal.
That's not new. I thought I killed him. I thought that thing burned down
Let
and...
me go. I gotta go ask something of someone. You know, I gotta go send a message.
Okay, Freddy mask on.
Yeah, I have to go stand on some business, guys. I gotta make pizza.
Oh, hi there, Chica. It's me, Freddy.
I'm about to get angry.
Puppet, it's me, Freddy. Do you know where Freddy is? Like the other Freddy is? Like Toy Freddy is? It's me, Freddy.
Why the hell is there two? Why the hell is there two Freddys?
Oh, there's 3 Freddys, actually. There's Toy Freddy,
there isn't.
Withered
There's only
Freddy, and then me, Freddy.
No, there isn't.
There's always been me, Freddy.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, even ask the others. The others know. Ask Freddy.
Hey, what are Bonnie over there? What are Bonnie? What the fuck are you? Hey, what are Freddy? Get over here. Hey. You. Oh. Pretty good.
I've always been here. It's just me, Freddy.
Both. Pretty good. These bozos are gonna make me sweat them. Hey, what are Chica? Get your jaw out of here. Get your jaw over here.
How do you disconnect controllers?
What
What did you say?
Has there ever been a me, Freddy? Because this guy's saying...
Yeah, I'm Freddy.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Freddy. Where's the other Freddy? I don't even know.
Withered Freddy's over there. Who are you
Oh, wait.
again?
Hey, what a Freddy?
Who are you again?
Winter Chica?
Oh, hi,
Okay,
Withered
that's
Chica.
That's it. I'm getting very angry.
Oh, let me go get the security guard to do that. Oh my god. This puppet's not stupid.
Get 10 seconds before I...
Take mask off. Oh, I'm gonna kill these damn animatronics.
7, 6,
Flashlight on.
5,
Hey,
4,
stay away. I have the
3,
flashlight on you.
2,
Oh, I'm doing it.
damn it. Wee! Yeah! Bing bong, ding, 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 ding.
Oh. I finished. Where's Withered Chica? Where's Withered Chica?
Thing cut off. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Withered Chica. I need to... Oh, no.
Ew!
You! I hate you.
And I hate
I'm going to tear you to shreds!
Oh, what happened to your faceplate?
After what you did to me!
Yeah, you only got one arm, it seems. Freddy mask on. Oh, hi, Bonnie. It's me, Freddy.
No, you're not Freddy! It's the guard! He's wearing a mask!
Damn it. I hate him. Ah. It's only the second. Stop.
I'll make you pay!
Mask off. Oh, I caught myself. Well, it looks like your friend Chica's not stupid. Because of she's seen the other Freddy, since there is 3 Freddys after all. Withered Freddy, and then Toy Freddy.
There is no other Freddy. It's Withered Freddy. Or should
Where's-
I say the real Freddy?
Where's Chica and
Toy
then
Freddy.
Puppet?
There's Freddy and Toy Freddy. That's it.
Okay, I think I destroyed Withered Chica.
Where's the puppet?
I think I destroyed the puppet also.
Oh, good job.
I did it. Flashlight. Okay, that doesn't stop you.
Do you think I care? I don't even have the part of my eyes that makes me wink the light anymore.
I
Come
really
on,
would.
Freddy, let's sick him.
No, that's Withered Freddy, and you're Withered Bonnie. Get away. Your name is
What
not.
do you mean withered?
Yeah, you guys are all broken and now there's new of you guys.
That doesn't mean our name is Withered.
Ah, my ankle.
That's like getting your arm ripped off and saying, oh, that's arm ripped off Tommy.
Yeah. My name was Armed Ripped Off Security Guard for a while.
No, it wasn't.
People would actually call me that. That's why I only had one arm for the time.
No, nobody called you that.
Not you guys. I had a
Nobody
different
called you
security
that.
job before
I
this.
know that for a fact. Nobody called you that.
I can break
Either
you
way,
easily, Freddy. You're fully, like, all burnt. Like, you only have one arm. Oh, so Freddy.
No, his arm's just down. His arm's just the wiring.
Okay, I don't know where Chica went. Or Toy Chica.
Kill him. It's 5 a.m.
Where are your full gang? Like, you're missing Chica. And then you're missing Toy Chica, and then Toy Freddy, and then Toy Bonnie. Like, where are they?
They swapped out for a better version.
You guys are, like, all broken, and you guys suck.
And yet, Toy Bonnie hasn't beat your face to a pulp yet, has he?
No. Because he's just better. I don't think he likes to hurt like that.
He definitely wasn't trying to kill you 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, he was trying to kill me.
Tell him, Freddy.
Now you should be sent back in that damn area. Time to grab my stuff. And now...
One of these days, Freddy.
That's the end of this time.